Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to right click on your HP Envy X360. So there are three ways you can right click, and most probably you were searching on how to right click with the touch screen, not with the touchpad. So I'm gonna show you that first, but later on I'm gonna show you how to do it with a touchpad if you don't know how. So I'm gonna show you the touch screen. You can see when I click, it shows a circle around my click, a light circle that's not very visible, but it is there. And to right click, you need to press and hold, then it'll display a square you can release, and it'll right click. So I can also right click on the taskbar, I can right click on the start button, this is left click, and this is right click. Right click on it as well, or maybe not. Here I can't really right click, but I can right click on the File Explorer or on the Microsoft Edge. So this is how you right click on the touch screen. Now I'm gonna flip it over and show you how to right click with the touchpad. So you can either go somewhere on the screen, see my cursor is here. And now, in order to right click, either tap with two fingers, just lightly tap, you don't need to click, or click in the bottom right corner. So I'm gonna show you so you can see the screen as well. And now when I click in the bottom right corner, it also performs a right click. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.